Hello friends, welcome back to HMS Aviary. Hope you all are doing good. In this video, I am going to tell you 10 amazing facts you need to know about Sun Conures. Visually to see, Sun Conures are very bright and beautiful. They have vibrant yellow, orange, red and green feathers. They are very social birds and they love spending time with human or bird companions. Sun conures are very noisy. Their loud calls help them communicate and get your attention. These birds enjoy cuddles and often snuggle into your shoulder. With good care, they can live up to 30 years, a lifetime companion. Sun conures are full of energy and they love toys, flying and exploring. Sun conures are South American natives. They come from the forest of Brazil, Guinea and rainforests of South America. In wild, they eat fruits, seeds, flowers and insects. In captivity, a balanced diet is the key for good health. They eat mix of fruits, veg, seeds and pellets. They can learn tricks and commands easily with positive reinforcement. Sun conures once bonded, they become deeply attached to its human or bird mate, forming lifetime emotional connections. Sun conures are beautiful, intelligent and loving birds. They need time, care and commitment. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more parrot facts and tips. Thank you for watching.